为什么里面有水？
你看后面那个。
为什么里面有水？
当它这个加热的时候，那个泵里面，本来是冷的嘛，
就是漏水了。
比如说一加热，里面那个蒸汽啊，就把那个水挤出来了。
那客户也会遇到这样情况吗？
刚开始是有加热的情况，不加热就没有。恒温的情况下就没有了。明白？
在客户听来，我感觉就是机器有问题。
还有一个问题，还有一个那个，所以里面是油是热的就没事。关键是里面是冷的，忽然是这里加热，你说那个蒸汽它就把这个气它跑出来了，现在就没事了，现在，现在没有，是不是？你看，连罐子都没有滴。这你看得到啊，没关系，这个嘴上面没滴嘛，是上次里面的跑不掉的里面。打开肯定那里面会洒出来，打开就会洒出来。
So this is a warming tank, and it can be moved to transfer melted wax into it. Okay. The temperature of this tank is separate. Its control center is here. Okay, let me show you how to adjust the temperature. You need to press here and change the position. You can plus or minus. Okay, and then press again to confirm it. And turn on the heating element. Turn on is by this way, so it will start heating. This is a power switch, and this tubing is for when this tank has full of wax, it has a detector inside the tank. When the liquid is not enough, it will suck the wax into the tank directly. But if it sucks too much, it will flow back into this tank.